Students, so our this session is dedicated to music. It doesn't mean I'm going to sing any song or I'm going to play any instrument over here, but I'm going to tell you a story of a famous musician, and he is none other than Tansen. You must have listened about. So let's move to the story first. To begin with his childhood, he was the only child of his parents. His father, Sri Mukundan Mishra, he was also a famous singer. They used to live with their small family in a village of Gwalior, and his village was Behat. There is a famous incident related to his childhood and also how he became such a great musician. A famous singer named Swami Haridas was once traveling through the forest with his disciples. Tired, the group settled down to rest in a shady tree. And Tansen, he saw them and he thought that it will be fun to frighten them. He hid behind a tree and roared like a tiger. The little group of those travelers, they scattered in fear here and there. But Swami Haridas, he called them together and told them that don't be afraid, tigers are not always dangerous. Suddenly, one of his men saw a small boy was hiding behind the tree and he was making those sounds. And that time only he presented the boy in front of Swami Haridas. But Swami Haridas did not punish him. Why? Because he was very much impressed by his talent of making those noise, and he was sure that he could be a great singer also. So Tansen was only 10-year-old when he went with Swami Haridas for learning music, and like this he became a famous singer. Tansen married Hussaini. She was also one of the disciples of Swami Haridas. Tansen and Hussaini had 5 children and they all were very musical. Sometimes Tansen sang before Emperor Akbar and he was also very much impressed by his singing and he insisted Tansen to join his court. Tansen went to Akbar's court in 1556 and soon he became a great favorite of the emperor. Akbar would call upon Tansen to sing at any time during the day and night, and he used to frequently visit Tansen's house also to hear him, and he also gave him many presents. So other courtiers in his court, Akbar courts, they became jealous of Tansen like that. So just for shattering his fame, one of the courtiers, Shaukat Mia, had a bright idea. And he suggested other courtiers that let's make him sing Rag Deepak. What is Rag Deepak? Actually, this is one of the rag that if it sung properly, it makes the air so hot that the singer is burnt to ashes. Tansen is a very good singer, and if he sings Rag Deepak, he will die and they will be rid of him. So that was the plan of Shaukat Mia. So they approached to Emperor Akbar, and Akbar also accepted their challenge because he knew that Tansen was a very good singer, and he just said ki of course he can sing that Rag Deepak perfectly. But Tansen was afraid because he was very much aware of the consequences. But at the same time, he could not disobey the king. He asked some time from the emperor to prepare himself for Rag Deepak. He went home and he discussed the matter with the family. Then suddenly he had an idea. He was very much aware with Rag Megha also. Now what is Rag Megha? If someone sings Rag Megha at the same time and sings it properly, it will bring rain. Perhaps his daughter, he could do so. So his daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupvati, they both got ready to help him. Tansen taught the two girls to sing Rag Megha. They practiced day and night. Tansen also told them that they had to wait till the lamps start burning, and that time only they will start their singing Rag Megha. So the legend Tansen, he goes on the appointed day after 2 weeks of practice, and the whole town assembled to hear him. And when he began to sing Rag Deepak, the air became warm. The leaves on the trees dried up and fell to the ground. Birds fell dead because of the heat, and the water of the river, it started boiling. People cried out of the fear, and the lamps, they lighted suddenly. And that time only Saraswati and Rupvati, they started Rag Megha. The sky clouded over and the rain came out. And like this, Tansen saved his life. The story goes that he was very ill after that, and Akbar was also very sorry for that suffering. Later on, it is said that he punished Tansen's enemy also. When Tansen got well, the whole city rejoiced. And Tansen remained Akbar court's singer till 1585. He himself composed many of new rags, and there is a tomb of Tansen in his native place Gwalior. And that place was actually a pilgrimage for the musicians. So this was all about the famous Tansen. Thank you.